going on, guys? I just want to say sorry for not posting more frequently this past couple weeks. I'm having a bit of a problem here just because where I'm located, it's in full lockdown. So a lot of the trails in the Crown land is actually shut down and you're not allowed to camp there. A lot of the trails haven't opened yet, not till the end of April too, like some of the bigger trails where you have to buy day passes and stuff like that to go. So obviously we haven't been going there, and I've been really busy with work, so at the same time I've been having to juggle that and make content. But I don't know if you saw last video. In that video where I was teaching my girlfriend to drive, we went off-roading there at Bethany Pits, and I didn't get this on film, but actually I was doing like a bit of a crossover on like a low section, and I smashed my exhaust, the one I just put on in one of the earlier videos there, the Flowmaster 50. I had just thrown that in because my stock one had rusted out, so it was just a quick swap. I didn't intend on keeping it forever. It was just kind of get me through. But now we're here at GT Customs, and I've had them do a lot of work for me. These guys are really good. They've worked on some of my other cars in the past, and they've definitely helped me out when I got stuck. They actually did my downpipe my side exit exhaust for my Land Cruiser, my diesel Land Cruiser, and they did a really good job. So instead of buying one, I'm going to support them and definitely get them to do it, because I think they do amazing work, and they definitely have some crazy cars here that come in. So just here now waiting for the shop to open, and hopefully you can see what we can get done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment and like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. It really helps me. Thanks a lot, guys. That's a shop car there. It's got a couple Toyotas, but you should see the custom work he does in there. It's crazy.
Need to learn first, I feel. Get really proficient at MIG welding and learn how to fabricate a bunch of shit with it, and then you can kind of move your levels up. I like how you don't see any of the bite at all. Like when you're back here, you just see the little...
Yeah, that's exactly kind of what I wanted. Yeah, no, you guys killed it for sure.
Yeah, I've done a bunch of them where they just dump them right here.
The axle dump, right? And I wanted to stay away from that because I've seen everyone do that. That and just like the drone underneath.
Yeah, it makes me want to... Here, I'll show you what I did with my 4Runner.
So this is Buddy's 4Runner from the shop.
So the brake line broke like 1 or 2 after that, and coming down to the property ends, and we were just doing like it's a figure 8.
And then showing a flip
so
over.
Like, I didn't want to hit trees. Then there's a bunch of fucking mufflers in the back. I just like put scrap and shit.
GT Customs.
Yeah, I got fucked. There's me climbing out of it like right after it happened.
Oh man.
My buddy took it. It's still a trail truck. Like,
really?
Like the rad wasn't even leaking.
That's crazy.